Hello and welcome to my channel, Urban Queen TV. I am Urban Queen. Today, I'm coming to you with another emergency prep. But first, I want to thank everyone that subscribed to my channel. For all the views and the 36 subscribers, I appreciate it with all my heart. It makes me feel good. Please tell a friend to watch Urban Queen TV. I'm here to give you informative information to help you to prepare for a time of an emergency. So this emergency prep that I have today is one of the preps that I have that I felt like I felt would be something that I believe you would like. And I said, let me share it with my viewers and my subscribers. This is a 48-hour emergency food supply, a 4-person kit. This 48-hour emergency food supply kit is from Artisan Farms. You just add water. It's a 5 ml variety. It has a 30-year shelf life. It's 55 calories total. It's 55 servings total, excuse me. 10,910 calories for 4 person. But if you want to break it down to 2 people, this can be a 96-hour, 4-day food supply kit. Or if you want to, for just yourself, and you're eating at a 2,000 calorie diet, this can be a 1,600 calorie meals for 5.5 to 6 days. This food supply has buttermilk pancakes, 6 servings, maple brown sugar oatmeal, 10 servings, 6 servings of creamy chicken flavored rice, 15 servings of macaroni, and 15 servings of cheese to make your macaroni and cheese. It has 8 servings of creamy potato soup. This 48-hour emergency food supply kit from Artisan Farms is compact. It has a handle. It's able to carry. It's a grab and go. It's compact. It takes up very little space. We all need food to survive. So we can start here. And this container, you can add more into it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some more food to this bucket. I purchased 4. I plan to, they have also the 72-hour. So if you want that one, that would be a good. So I just wanted to bring something interesting to you, show you something that I have in my preps that I find that it may be useful to you. It's Artisan Farm 40-hour emergency food supply, 4-person kit, 5 meals variety, a 30-year shelf life. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and comment. If you find my videos very informative, I would appreciate it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I am Urban Queen TV, Urban Queen 3034. I want you to stay safe, stay vigilant, keep your head on a swivel, have peace, love in your home, in your heart, and I'll bid you a shalom.